Hi, Unity community. My name is Beth, and I'd like to introduce you to something that's fairly new here at Unity. It's called the Deep Dive Gathering. Happens on Wednesday evenings from at 6 o'clock to approximately 7:30, and there's three of us that are facilitators that take turns, myself, Sarah, and Carrie, and we follow usually the theme that happens on Sunday, and we go deeper. We create some embodied experiential activity, meditation, ways to be present with ourselves, and then we have sharing. So it is a great way to go deeper. It is a great way to have more quiet time in a group, and it is a way to create more connection and community. So I hope you join us. It happens on Wednesdays.